Good morning class. This is MS Access window and you can see blank database is here. Single click on it or you may do double clicking also. I'm doing single click. So you can see this pop up this window here. You can change the file name here. Right now it is database 12. You can change it. I'm using this create and this is my main screen where I have to do my work. Go on view tab and under this view tab go on design view, and on in this design view we will be doing our work. I'm going to change the table 1 name to student stu. I'm writing here and click on OK. So you can see this screen here, and this is your design view screen. Design view, two parts are there. One is this where you will be writing your field name. Now the very first field which I'm going to write is here student stu underscore id. Then I'm changing this auto number to number so that I can take a big roll number also. And here you can see this is a primary key here. So you can change this key, primary key को. I'm clicking on this and this is deleted from here. Now you can come, you can have that also. आप इसको रख भी सकते हो, but I have shown you how to delete and how to bring it back. Then you come to description. This portion is optional, so I'm not writing anything on this. Then come to next one, that is I'm going to take student name, or you may take F name. I'm taking okay, I'm taking F underscore name. Name is a keyword, so if sometime MS Access doesn't take this name word, name it will not take, so write down something in front of that, student name or F name like this. And this is short text. And now here I'm using caption. Come to this portion, this is field properties. Here you can see, so come to caption. Here I'm writing first name so that people may know what F means. F can be father name also. The first name I have written here, first name. This is on caption, and right now my field name is F name here. Okay, now I am making this as a this F name as they have not. I'm reducing the size of this field. I'm reducing it to 30. And format, I'm not using caption. I already have used required. This required option I'm using here. It has it is no, so I'm making it yes. I'm making it yes. Yes, that means you have to fill something in this field. You can't leave this field blank. If we have taken require here yes, that means you have to put something in this, some value is to be in this field. Then I'm going to take class. In class I'm taking this short text and I'm reducing the size to 10. I'm taking it 10, and I'm giving a default value to this default value. I'm giving default value to this class, and I'm taking X, that stands for 10th class. Okay, X, that is 10th. You may take any class here, default value. And then I'm coming to my next is city, CITY, city. And now again city is also a short text, but I will be taking lookup wizard here. Lookup wizard, click on this lookup wizard, you will be getting this type of window or dialog box. You just click on this. I will type in the value that I want and click on next. And here you have to type your city name. I'm taking Lucknow. And don't press enter key. You may use your arrow keys to come down Bhopal, Bhopal. Then come down, I'm taking Agra, Agra. Then come down, I'm taking Kanpur, Kanpur. I'm taking Allahabad or Prayagraj, Prayagraj, Prayagraj. You may take more city name, but I'm taking this much only, and press on next and finish. So this was all here. Now we are going to take the next field is date of birth. I'm taking date of birth like this. You may put underscore also here, but I'm taking this way, and this is date and time. So under date and time, I'm going to take field property. You may take format. I'm taking format here. Click on this and it is showing you which type of format you want to take. So I'm choosing this one, medium date. I have taken this. Okay, now this is all the fields which I'm going to take, and now I'm coming to data sheet view. Here we will be inputting some data. So this is our data sheet view. So here I'm going to write names, Sonu. You can see class में it was default 10th class दिया था, तो already you can see 10th is written here. You may change it to your class. 8th class आप लिख सकते हो यहाँ पे. You may, but it will give you 10th here. Then city, when you come to city, you just click on this and you will see all the cities here. You may press any one of them, जो भी city का वो बच्चा है. लखनऊ आपने लिया. Then come to next. I'm using my tab key to go on next. You may use your arrow keys also. Now I'm writing my date like 12 or 10 month and 2018. But when I will go to my next, or when I press on tab, you will see this format has changed. जो format हमने लिया था, that it is printed on that format. So this is again there. Okay, I have not taken this as auto number, so I have to give number here. I thought I have taken auto number. Now coming to next is I may type 10002, and if I leave this blank, first name को मैं blank करके second name के बजाय यहाँ पे जा रही हूँ, and I'm choosing Bhopal from here, and I'm writing some date 14, then 2019. You can see as we have taken here student name required लिया था ना कि उसमें आपको वो वैल्यू इनपुट करनी ही करनी है. So you can see when you have finished your data, sometime it will give you here only, ये मैसेज यहीं पे आ जाएगा जब आप उसको फिल नहीं करेंगे. sometime it is giving you when you have finished the whole line. So you must enter a value in student F name, है ना. तो आप इसको क्लिक करिए ओके, and you can see the caption which we have given is written here, first name instead of F name, first name आ गया. जो caption दिया रहता है ना उसका यहाँ पे आ गया है. Now I'm giving some Monu name दे दिया. Now no, you can see nothing is there, है ना. So this is how we can give lot many datas. Here I'm going to give few more, pausing. Okay, now you may see I have given so many records here. Now I'm going to input a new field, and I have to insert a new field. So right click here, you can right click on this, and you will see insert field is there. So when you click on this, a field is inserted. Now if you want to give the field name, if you want to give a name to this field, okay, you may go to field here, name and caption, and here field 1 they have written, I'm going to write marks or KS marks here. Caption you may write, but I don't need any caption right now, so I'm clicking on OK. The marks is here, and now I'm going to design view. I may use here from here also usko kaun sa number I'm taking. This is data type here also, number I may take from here. And now I have to set properties. I have to set properties. So I'm going on this dialog design view, and here you can see marks is inserted, number is there, and my this field is highlighted. I'm going on properties. Now here I'm going to tell you about validation rule and validation text. So you can write a validation rule here कि जो marks हैं they should not be less than or great, they should be greater than equal to 0, ठीक है, and a space, and less than equal to 50. See it? So this is my validation rule, and in validation text I may write enter number between 0 and 50, ठीक है, 0 and 50, 0 and 50. So this is my validation text. Now I'm going to show you how this will work. Now when I go back to my view, datasheet view, now datasheet view I have here, datasheet views here, marks are here. Now if I enter marks, अब मैं यहाँ पे marks enter कर रही हूँ, I have entered 45, ठीक है, तो सही है. If I enter 49, it is also right. If I enter 35, but if I enter 55, then you will see a message here. जैसे ही आप इसके आगे जाने के लिए करेंगे, you will see a message, enter number between 0 and 50. This message we have given under validation text. तो ये आपको मैसेज जैसे ही दिखेगा, you will understand, oh, I have to fill this number between 0 and 50. तो click OK, and then you may do your correction. ठीक है, अब इसको हम लोग कुछ भी यहाँ पे कोई भी नंबर देते थे, इसको कम दे देते हैं, और इसको भी दे देते हैं. ये जो लास्ट वाला बच्चा है इसको भी कुछ दे दो, क्या दे दें, 30 दे देते हैं, ठीक है. So this is how you can insert a field and you can give validation rule and validation text. Now if you want to move your fields, आपको move कराना है, तो you just click here, press करा mouse and click and drag and drop, and you will see this marks have come here. This is how the movement of the fields can be done. Now if I want to hide something, ये marks को मुझे hide करना है या class को hide करना है, just right click here on this field name, click here, you will get hide field. You can click on this and your field is hidden. Now you can't see that field here. Now if you want to see that again, just click here, right click किया वहाँ पे और unhide field पे आए आप. Unhide field पे you can see your class is hidden. You can click on this, and if you have hidden 2-3 fields, तो आपको जो भी field को देखना है, unhide करना है, you just click on that and that field will be in front of you. Likewise, if you want to arrange these names, short करना चाहते हो, तो आपको यहाँ पे क्लिक करना है, ये जो ड्रॉप डाउन एरो है इस पे क्लिक करना है, क्लिक ऑन दिस and you will see all these here. This is filtering, so we are not going to do filter right now. we are doing sorting. So sorting ये रहा A to Z, Z to A. Click on A to Z here and you will see all the names are sorted. सारे नाम शॉर्ट हो गए, उनकी वजह से रोल नंबर भी शॉर्टिंग हो गया, ऊपर नीचे हो गया. नाउ यू कैन कम टू, आई एम गोइंग टू टेक दिस सिटी. सिटी को हम लोग फ़िल्टर करते हैं, ठीक है. तो फ़िल्टर करने के पहले सिलेक्ट ऑल जो है इसको अनटिक कर लो. एंड नाउ इफ़ आई वांट टू नो हाउ मेनी पीपल आर फ्रॉम कानपुर, तो इसको टिक किया, फ़िल्टर कर रहे हैं तो ओके करेंगे तो यू विल सी ओनली people, only students from Kanpur are highlighted. You can see them here. ठीक. तो I hope this much is enough for today. You just practice all these things which I told you, and I will be giving you more of these practicals so that you can practice at home. Till then, goodbye.